Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF. My name is Vishnu Agarwal and I am the host for today's episode. So we are living in the era where data is not only limited to structured data but semi-structured and multimodal in nature at the same time. Historically, processing multimodal content requires specific set of tools across images, videos, document and speech. We are going to discuss a different approach altogether to process multimodal content using content understanding. And to discuss more about it, I would like to invite Arvind Raman for a short conversation. Hi Arvind.
Hi Vishnu, pleasure to be back on TGIF.
Quickly, please tell me what exactly is this content understanding is all about.
Content Understanding Service is a generative AI service that helps you to ingest and process multimodal data across images, videos, text, documents, and get the output in a desired format. Primarily, it streamlines the process to reason over large amount of unstructured data, thereby accelerating time to market and integrating the output with multiple automation workflows.
Okay. So if I have, let's say, some kind of audio to process at the same time I have document to process in terms of PDF, do I need to refer to different APIs in different formats, or can I do it in one single environment?
We could absolutely do it in one single environment, and that's where the service comes into play.
Okay.
Once I upload the specific file, the tool has the intelligence to understand the nature of the file and call the specific templates to process it.
Okay.
If it is a speech file, it will call the necessary speech services to do the translation, text to speech and speech to text.
Okay.
If it is a Word document, it will call the necessary OCR files and then do the extraction.
Okay.
So it's just upload the data, the tool figures out at the back end based on the content.
Okay, wonderful idea. Give me some examples. Where do you see its adoptions or the use cases across?
Broadly, we've seen two broad categories. The first is automation, wherein the tool converts the unstructured data into a structured data and puts it into a particular workflow of an application.
Okay.
For example, procurement process. I have a particular purchase order and I need to input the data into my backend systems.
Okay.
The tool would capture the details of the purchase order and integrate it with a workflow and directly push it into my backend systems without me having to do the manual entry.
Okay.
It could be for contracts and any type of document processing.
Okay.
The second has been in terms of search and retrieval. Okay. What we've seen is the ability to extract this multimodal data and push it into a search index primarily enhances the quality of the search, thereby giving a much more accurate.
So you mean that, let's say I have a call center and I have a lot of audio transcription, and at the same time I have a lot of documents to process together. So will AI understanding will help me to process all of this data together in the form of a batch data?
Surely, any kind of call center recordings, the tool would kind of extract the data, identify the sentiments,
Okay.
explore opportunities for upselling, extract the specific entities, and directly push it into my CRM systems and also help me with the next best action.
Great, Arvind. So let's get into some demos.
What we'll showcase is primarily two scenarios.
Okay.
The first is wherein I have an RFP which spreads across multiple pages, and the ability of the content understanding service to look into these different pages and extract, say, 3 to 4 top fields.
Okay.
The second is in terms of call center automation, wherein I have a call recording of an agent and a customer and the ability to extract sentiments and key entities from the discussion.
We are now in the homepage of Azure AI Content Understanding. Let's go ahead and execute the first demo of document understanding. As mentioned earlier, I just need to upload a document and the tool identifies the nature of the document and calls out the specific templates. In this case, I have uploaded an RFP document. The tool would now go in and pre-select one of the templates. This is a 2-pager RFP that has got uploaded. Let's go ahead and extract some specific details. In this particular case, I would like to extract the description, the bid publishing start date, and say, for example, the delivery period. So let's go ahead and add the specific fields. It's a fairly straightforward process wherein I go in and say item description. It's a string and I say extract. I have defined the 4 items that I need to extract. I go ahead, I save the same, and I run the analyzer to extract the specific details. In this case, it's picked up the item description, it's picked up the assurance as 3 years, that is mentioned in page number 2. It's picked up the consignee address, and of course, the submission date is available out here. So as you see, it has picked up the specific details. Let's move ahead to the second POC and process a call recording. I go through the same process wherein I go ahead and change the template, and I will now upload a call recording. Run the analysis and explore the output. So in this particular case, it's gone through the call recording, it's provided me a transcript of the same, the sentiment is neutral, it's given me a brief summary, and gives me the different categories across what is the nature of the call, what are the organizations referred to, what is the name of the person, and broadly what have been the key topics discussed.
Thank you, Arvind, for showcasing that wonderful demo. So you've seen how content understanding can help you process your multimodal data inside one single unified platform. At the same time, responsible AI and data privacies are taken care behind the scene to make it compliant and make your data secure. See you next week in another wonderful episode.